Hi, this is Christian Fouts and welcome to your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to speak about 4 effective methods for advertising your rental property. A lot of people come to us that are buying rental properties. They want to know how can they really get it out there and try to market it on their own. First and foremost is video. It's very important. Video, anything you're doing online or selling online, video is very important. You know, with today's advent of the Apple and iPhones and Androids, you really could take great videos. So I recommend you can shoot that yourself. Unless it's a luxury property or an Airbnb property that you're trying to promote, then I would have a professional virtual tour done. The second thing is you need great photos. In my opinion, no matter what type of iPhone you have, you're better off getting professional photographs because they can really take wide angles and it's not expensive at all. About $135 is your basic package. The third thing is highlight the neighborhood, like where are you located? If it's an annual rental, the school system, where's local shopping or restaurants? Can you walk to a park nearby? Those are things that are important that need to be highlighted. And lastly, spell out the benefits of the property. Maybe it's fenced in that the renter has a dog, or maybe there's garage, a carport, maybe there's a washer and dryer that you're included with the rental. So these are some key benefits that you want to point out in your listing. I hope you found this Core Real Estate Minute helpful. Thank you and have a great day.